I'm here to share an unpopular opinion. Do not start UPSC prelims prep till the 15th of January. I know with the change in academic year, the anxiety and the panic will set in, and the internet and coaching centers will exactly feed on this panic to sell their courses. Your timetable should be on the basis of your reality, your coverage, your strengths and weaknesses. It should not be in sync with the sales cycle of coaching centers. The day you finish pre, you must know which subject and topic is to be done from which notes. If your notes are not ready, take 15 days to consolidate those. If the notes are ready, memorize those in the next 15 days. Notes lying in the registers are as good as not done. Critics would argue, what is the point of mains prep if pre is not clear? I would argue, what is the point of clearing one stage of the examination if you're not making it to the merit list? We have seen various students who have been stuck in this loop. They study the whole year because of pre-obsession. They clear pre, don't clear mains. Clear pre, don't clear mains. Ask yourself that question. Do you want to be in the final merit list, or do you just want a confidence booster by clearing a certain stage, which has no utility after it's been cleared? The explanation is simply mathematical. 75 days between pre and mains, 2.5 months. Divided into 6 papers. I'm not even considering essay for the moment. 75 days divided into 4 GS and 2 optional papers is just 12.5 days a paper. Think about it, what a Himalayan task this would be to even revise a paper in 12 odd days, let alone preparing it from scratch. That is why know the reality and prepare accordingly. Third, I understand that pre-prep is a big issue, but trust me, if done strategically, based on mocks analysis, based on strategy, based on a coverage, 4 months are enough for pre-prep. If not done well, even an entire year will not be enough for clearing pre. If you need some strategy related to how to be mains ready in the next 15 days, comment down below and we'll be able to help you with the same.